Hello. Survey of a land polygonal. My name is Tatiana Munoz. What is it? The survey helps us to transfer coordinates to our project city with high precision. To carry out the procedure, the following steps are disclosed. To define the vertices of the terrain to survey. Find 2 points with keynote coordinates. Having the affirmation, we set ourselves up at the first point on keynote coordinates and we take ourselves to the other point of coordinates. We put zeros and take the distance. For the same point, we look towards delta 1, from which we take the horizontal angle, vertical angle, and distance. After taking this information, we locate ourselves in delta 1 and proceed to the same so on until we arrive at delta near the project and we close delta near the project or traverse on the same plate that they were started. To raise the details of the terrain we are ourselves in the delta that we live nearby and with the help of the primes we take the horizontal and vertical angle and distance on each point. Equipment to use it. Total stage, prints, tripod, plummet, safety overall, safety gloves, hard hat, safety boots, safety vest. Results. High precision coordinates and distances blueprints in civil 3D elevations of each board. Thank you.